Greetings and peace. What's up to y'all? This is Queen Sarita here with naturallyhighlife.com, the place where I help you to remember who you are as a divine being, as I'm remembering who I am as a divine being, and on that journey, learning how to maximize your time, your effort in this world, and live your most happiest life. That's what Naturally High Life is all about. And so without further ado, I'm coming to you today to talk to you about the tarot cards again, because we are not finished going through the entire 78 cards of the tarot, but we started off with the Fool's Journey and we're going on from there to the Cup cards. So I'm going to talk to you about the Two of Cup cards. This video looks a little different because I have been on the move, y'all. I mean, on the move. The universe is calling me out to do more. I have been doing more. And I'm going to talk to you all about some important stuff. Just stay tuned. The Two of Cups, though, when you're looking at the Two of Cups card, like in this video, you see two people in the card. And they look as if they are having some sort of a dialogue. They're looking at each other. They're exchanging glances, looks, appreciation or disdain, depending on how the deck was made that you're looking at or the card. It takes courage to face someone. So this card, the Two of Cups, has to do with a certain level of emotional courage. And the reason why we talk about emotions is because the cups have to do with the emotions of the human being. And in that, you have things like romance that are indicated here with this card, love on many different levels, passion, even creativity can come out of it. Also sharing your heart, sharing what's on your heart, being open, just like being so open. If you've ever gotten Reiki and just felt the openness, if you ever meditated before and felt one with all that, or just a deep appreciation for something or someone, then you felt those are some examples of that healing power that happens for you and the other person, or me and the other person, when you give and share from your heart, when you open up and allow yourself to be receptive in the right space. So those are some of the things that are the Two of Cups. A list here is sharing things that are not to be shared with everyone, things that are to be kept between two people, or a small number of people can be indicated with this Two of Cups card. Emotional connection on an even keel or level, emotional balance, connected by powerful feelings. Two people that are connected by powerful feelings. If you look at the picture, that's what it looks like. Now, I know I'm talking about the cards and I have a horseshoe on here. This is the area that I have the cards laid out. And I want you all to see what this special horseshoe that I got from Estes Park in Colorado looks like. It's just really a beautiful thing somebody made. I bought it from the store. It's got pieces of pyrite and some other stuff on it in the train. But anyway, back to the reading. So this is the Morgan Greer Tarot deck that you all are looking at. And with that Morgan Greer Tarot deck, we have this vintage look. The two people that look the largest in the picture, where you see like a close-up on the right, that's from the Morgan Greer Tarot deck, the deck of the backs that you just saw. The other deck on the other side, you can see the full bodies of the two people. Hello. Those two people are from the Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot deck I had to remember. And these two cards I use for an example. So you can look at these cards. And I have sea salt all over my table. But yeah, I just wanted to have a nice purified space to lay the cards when I do it. So that's why I have that out. More on that later if you want to know more about purifying your space and clearing energy and all that good stuff. Then leave a comment and we'll get into that. Yeah, the rest of the cards, as we're going to finish the rest of this list, is angelic energy. If you look at the Radiant Rider White tarot deck card, which is on the left, you'll see there are wings there. So what is that? Let's talk about that. A little bit further, I'm gonna tell you what that symbolizes. And I've made this video before, y'all, but the video got deleted because there's a bunch of background noise. It was a completely bad connection, but I'm checking for all that before I upload these videos. So it's gonna take me maybe a little longer. However, I gotta make sure the quality is better for you. So I promise you I'll be doing something at least every week, you know? So now, the other thing about those wings, the angelic energy, something ordained or something that is divinely orchestrated or something that's been divinely, what is it? It's been like two people have been divinely introduced, or it's been set up by some type of divine intervention or something that comes from a higher place, you know, when you see that. Because it has something to do with Kemet or Egypt or African tradition, that symbol. And I'll tell you what it is in a minute. So an exchange can be the other thing that the Two of Cups symbolizes. Like I said, ceremony, like love, a ceremony of love, marriage, deep sensitivities, negotiation, protection. I'm going to run straight through it now. An exchange, trade. Because I'm sitting in the car and I've been doing Uber Eats and I've got to get on my way in a little while. So I just wanted to come on here and do this. So cosmic energy, proper conduct. You see that? So it could be a mature person talking to the other person who appears to be a little shorter, showing them or demonstrating how they should do something, you know? Romance, duality, an exchange, trade. We already said that. Duality, opposites that are in harmony, commitment, partnership, relationship, trust, taking a chance, chemistry. When two people come together, something powerful happens. The less mature, minor arcana. So it could be less mature adults or less mature people. And arcanas, like the Lover's card, it could be that. So in the minor arcana, it could mean the same thing that the Two of Cups card means, okay? Two people who are drawn to come together for a deeper purpose, bonding potential, how someone sees you, reconciliation, also unified love, attraction, coming together. I need to get this in print for you all. You know, it's a lot to write down. Coming together, attraction, unified love, yeah, harmony, weddings, union. A union of opposites, of two different types of people that come together. And then proper conduct, rewarding new relationships as well. Okay, strong sexual attraction as well. And it can be sexual attraction that is expressed or not. The caduceus of Hermes, or Tahuti, or, you know, but Hermes, that is the lion head, like that. So if you look up that and you see the wings, it represents psychic energy through the lens of dark and light, or things going through duality, balance. Number 2 on the card symbolizes balance or duality. Partnership. And psychic energy, intuition, mutual respect, mutual benefit. Okay? Creative love, even new romance. So those are some of the things about the Two of Cups. I am going to let you go, but just be mindful and remember that messages can be coming from your intuition, you know, from a higher place like your higher self when you get this card as well. And it can be telling you about someone or someone in relation to you. So yeah, that winged lion symbolizes things like courage and love, and also Mercury, the planet Mercury, communication, which is indicative of the number 2. And on this card, it is showing an exchange between two people. It looks like they may be having a conversation, listening to what the other person has to say, gazing into or looking into the other person's eyes and seeing the truth. Truth also is definitely indicative of this card too. So I hope that was helpful. I will be back with another video. If you want a specific topic to be talked about, then leave a comment below or send me a message. And I look forward to sharing and exchanging with you all soon. Let me know how things have been going for you all in the comments. And all right, y'all, peace and much love. Like I said, if you want to contact me to get a reading, a consultation, I do life coaching, and I also do my intuitive art. The other thing is I am definitely open for consultations, but I do work for myself now, so I am so feeling free if you want to know about that and how you can be doing your own thing, either working from home or being out of the house. I've done both of them, and I've made it my mission to do that. So I can do my art and do what I love to do, and encourage other people to do the same, like people have share with me. So I'll talk to y'all. The website's naturallyhighlife.com, and I'm Queen Sarita. This has been another tarot episode, but you can also find me on Instagram. It's Queen_Sarita. Check out my art online. Check out the readings on naturallyhighlife.com. I also have a group for the star seeds and, the sisters that are looking to exchange ideas and talk metaphysics, exchange on hacks and codes that work in this universe to help us all get along and move further. And I'm talking about things that are completely legal, but there are ways, once you get older, you realize, so-called older, we are infinite, then there are certain things that work better to do them this way or another way. And people, everyone, here is just another aspect of us, and they're able to drop some type of knowledge. And that knowledge can help us to get more done in less time and make the best use of our time while we're here living. All right, y'all. Later.